It's the world's biggest, newest entertainment show, and it's coming to Australia. This is the 1% Club.
This is no ordinary game, and Jim Jeffries is no ordinary host.
Why do you always put your glasses back on? You can leave them off. I'm better looking that way.
It's all about logic and bloody common sense.
Which one of these photos cannot be real? You got it right.
Took a punt.
So, wait a minute. You're a driving instructor, and you took a punt on this answer.
Anyone can play.
I'm a farmer.
I'm an English teacher.
I'm a barista.
I'm a competitive Scrabble player. It can be a really long day of fiddling with your rack.
You're baiting me.
Get ready for the brand new phenomenon.
I once had a concussion, and the doctor went, "Have you forgotten anything recently?" How would I know?
This is the 1% Club. Starts Wednesday, April 26.